What's going on, guys? Hope you all are having a wonderful day. I go by BZ Rider, and what you see behind me is my 350Z. If you're new to the channel, please make sure that you do subscribe, as I do post weekly content related to Z's, bikes, and everything in between. In today's video, installing a new front lip onto the 350. I purchased this lip off of the wonderful site of eBay. The price of this lip wasn't too bad at all. I ordered it, it came into a box, which I'll show you guys here shortly. Everything looks fine with it. I wanted to just hold off until the video to unbox it, but I'm not gonna lie, I got impatient and I was happy to see it. Really looking forward to the upcoming modifications that's going on. I actually just got back from the hardware store. I picked up some acetone as well as some more self-tapping screws. Enough of me rambling on and talking. Let's go ahead and show you guys the front lip. So hold on one sec. Okay guys, so in this box, the lip came with about 4 self-tapping screws, and it did also come with some double-sided tape, as well as some sweet JDM literature that says adhesion promoter. I'm not really sure what brand of tape this is. I actually ordered some 3M double-sided tape, heavy duty stuff. I'm not trying to have my lip fall off while I'm driving. Like I said, I wanted to go ahead and get the good stuff. So with this install, this front lip is actually like polyurethane. It's flexible, you can twist it and all that. I also make sure that I got my heat gun because I know I'm going to have to probably heat it up to let it form to the actual body of the car a little bit better. I also got some acetone to just clean everything up really good. A sanding block, that way I can sand up the inside of the lip. That way the 3M double-sided tape will stick to it better. I think we'll start things off with just a little test mock-up to see how it fits. Okay, so getting this on here wasn't really too difficult. You just kind of put the little portion in that goes underneath your grill, bend the corners up around to your wheel wells. There's where those screws will go. You can see that there's a gap in between here and this corner, as well as here, around there. So since this is new polyurethane, it's got like a waxy film over it. I know that the double-sided tape won't stick too well to it. So I'm going to just scuff it up like along in here and basically all around where the lip will be making contact with the bumper, just that way that sticky tape can stick to it a little bit better and do its job. I got an 80 grit sanding block that I'll just scuff everything up with.
A few moments later.
Now that I have the surface all scuffed up, I'm going to now clean everything up with some acetone. I'm just going to put it on a rag, wipe everything down, and then I will start laying the 3M tape onto the lip itself. Then I'm going to go out, clean the front bumper of that off pretty well, so that way everything sticks pretty well and that there's no dirt on the car, because like I said, I don't want this coming off. For cleaning off the front bumper, I'm just going to use a rag with some alcohol on it. I don't trust using acetone on my front bumper. I don't want to peel the paint off. Okay, so now both surfaces have been prepped. With it being cold outside, I'm gonna hit all this 3M tape with some heat for a little bit and then finally get ready to mount it back onto the car. Now with the lip on, we'll just go ahead and heat it up. So the lip is now mounted onto the front of the Z, but it's starting to get a little dark out and cold. I'm going to continue this video tomorrow once the sun is out, and that way I can go out and get some decent pictures of it because it looks good, but it's kind of dark out. We'll continue this video. Okay guys, so as you can see, I now have the front lip installed on the car. It wasn't really too bad. It just took a lot of work with the heat gun to get it to kind of form to the body a little bit better. I'll give you some close-ups on it just so that way you can see what I'm talking about, because in one spot, well technically two spots on the car, I did have to drill in some screws just to hold it to the bumper. In this spot right here, the Z's front bumper kind of just, you know, curves in. It has a big angle on it right there, so it was kind of hard to actually make it fit to the bumper. Did get it closer with the heat gun. Heat this area up a lot, like I said. You can see the same thing over here. This is where I put my self-tapping screw in at. Not too bad. Over here on the corners, it does stick out just a little bit. It's kind of to be expected. It wasn't like the most expensive front lip out there, but hey, it's good enough for what I paid for it. There's a little bit of a gap here. There's a gap as well. Overall, the fitment on this lip is not really too bad. Overall, this front lip is not perfect by any means necessary. Could it have been better? Yes. Could some of those things been done on my end to make it better? Yes. I'm not a body guy whatsoever. What it is, I think it actually looks pretty good on the car. The only thing is, I don't know if I want to paint it or leave it black. If you guys think I should either color match it or paint it black, because right now it's unpainted in itself. This is the pure lip how it is. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think. There is going to be some more aero coming in for the Z. It's actually at the house now. I just have to install it. Tell me what you guys think. If you found this video useful, let me know down in the comments. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Also turn on those bell notifications. That way you'll get updates when the new video comes out. Until next time guys, I'll see you around.